Hi guys, welcome to today's video, YouTube video. This is Miss Hastings checking in. This is Miss Hastings and Angel checking in. We're going to be doing the triangle sum theorem. So you need to remember, when you're doing triangle sum theorem, you do blank plus blank equals 180 degrees, because all of the angles inside of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So for number one, in the blanks you need to put 55, 70, and x. And we're solving for this angle measurement here. I'm going to continue using variable constant method for these, even though they're easy numbers. So we get 1x equals, can you bring me a calculator? Grab me one of those calculators. Thank you, sir. $55. So x equals 55, so that means that this missing angle is 55 degrees. Okay, easy one. Let's try this one. Okay, again, we're talking about the interior angles of a triangle. So we do blank plus blank equals 180. And it's 85 plus 35 plus x. And you get x equals 60 degrees. So this missing angle is 60 degrees. Okay, number 3. $39, 80, and x equals 180. Fill out a pass. And this one equals 61 degrees. You can always check after you get your answer. You can always check by adding the 3 measurements up to make sure that it equals 180. So like if you add 61 plus 80 plus 39, that should add up to 180. 9 plus 1 is 10. 6, 7, 15. Yeah, so that adds up to 180. So that means that this is the correct answer. Okay, number 4, another easy one. We're easing into these. Okay, so my 3 angles are a missing angle, an 85, and a 35. So we have an x, an 85, and a 35. That means my variable is 1x, and my constants are 180, negative 35, and negative 85. And that's 60. Take it, Mr. Kim. So this one is 60 degrees. Okay, for number 5, you have to remember that this little square means that it's a 90-degree angle. So we're going to do blank plus blank plus blank equals 180 again. But for this one, we're just going to fill in different things in the blanks. So whatever the triangle has is what we're going to put in the blank. So we have a 30. Don't forget to take your test to Mr. Kim. And then we have a 90-degree angle. And then over here we have 66 plus x. So let's box and circle for these. Variables are 1x. Constants are 180 that stays positive, negative 66, negative 90, and negative 30. And 1x equals negative 6. So for this problem, always look at the directions, because sometimes it tells you to solve for x and sometimes it tells you to find the measurement. But on this problem it just says to solve for x, so we're actually done at this part. X equals negative 6, and that's all we needed to know. For number 6, remember this is 90 degrees. Blank plus blank plus blank equals 180. 60, 90, and 30x. So that's actually going to be a variable term, the whole 30x. Put a square around it. And then these get circles. You guys good? No, it's still A. You still have like a couple minutes left in A. When you hear the bell ring, that's when... Until the bell rings? Yeah, it's going to ring in like 1 minute. You can wait. That means you need to change your pass, though. Yeah. So variable term is 30x. I'm sorry about that, students listening to my video. There are some other students in here who are being difficult. A negative 60, I'm just kidding. And then a negative 90 and a 180. Like that. So 180 plus negative 60. Are you guys going to wait? Plus negative 90 is 30. Bring down the 30x and divide. So x equals 1 for this one. Yeah, I think the bell rings at 3:15 or 3:18 or something. Okay, number 7, blank plus blank plus blank equals 180. X plus 44 in the first blank, 55 and 90 in the others. And it actually doesn't matter what order you put the angles in the blanks. Let's box and circle for these. Okay. I still have one variable term, 1x, and then I have negative 44, negative 55, negative 90, and keep the 180 positive because it's not moving sides. And you get x equals negative 9. That's as far as we have to go here. Okay, last one. Okay, negative 10 plus 5x, 40, and 90. So circle the negative 10, box the 5x, and circle the other numbers. Variable term here is a 5x, positive 10, make the 40 negative, make the 90 negative, keep the 180 positive. So you get 5x equals 60, and then when you divide by 5, you get x equals 12 as your answer. Okay, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.